Hey everyone, welcome back to another update video for Hoverify, my browser extension for web developers and designers. I spent most of the last month on the screenshot editor, so that's where we will focus with a few other tool updates towards the end. Let's get into it. The first small change you will notice in the editor is the default canvas size is now set to auto with 0 padding, instead of Instagram preset it used before. Next up, zoom shortcuts. You could already zoom using the buttons in the bottom left of the canvas or with command control with the plus and minus keys. But now you can also hold command control and use scroll wheel to zoom in and out. This makes zooming more aligned with the other editors. Moving on to annotations. The biggest quality of life improvement here is that you now draw annotations yourself, instead of editor placing them for you. You can also nudge annotations with arrow keys for more precise positioning. 1 pixel per press or 10 pixels if you hold down shift key. One of the most important new feature is a proper undo-redo system. Let me drop in a test annotation and tweak a few settings so you can see it in action. I will change the width and the corner radius of this rectangle annotation. To move through your edit history, you can use the undo and redo buttons in the top right corner, right beside the logo. Or press Command Z or Control Z to undo and Command Shift Z or Control Shift Z to redo. Another small quality of life improvement is duplicating annotations. Annotations now have a duplicate button in the layers panel, or you can press Command D or Control D to duplicate them. On popular request, I have also added a text plus arrow annotation. To use it, right-click the arrow annotation in the toolbar and select arrow with text option. Now you can simply click anywhere on the canvas to drop a text box with an arrow pointing to your target. It comes with all the usual controls for both text and arrow styles like text size, alignment, border, arrow width, and so on. For the longest time, people have been requesting the ability to capture screenshots inside responsive. This update brings you exactly that. On each device, you will now see a capture option. Press it and a background window will open at the right size for that device and take the screenshot. You can capture multiple devices at the same time. The capture pop-up opens as soon as any of the screenshot is ready, and the rest are added in automatically as they finish. For the last update, I have added a really cool Tailwind-style palette generator to the Color Eyedropper. When you pick a color from the page, a full palette is automatically generated around it. You can right-click any shade in the palette to copy its hex, RGB or OKLCH value. That covers the main updates, but this release also has a lot of bug fixes and small improvements I didn't cover in this video. Check out the changelog to see the full list. If you have any feedback or run into issues, let me know in the comments. I read all of them, and many of the features in this update came from suggestions on past videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.